Look at Mama, look. Look at Journey. She has a lot of patches, red patches on her face because of the chicken pox. And look, she has a lot also on her head, but you cannot see it. But at her back, look at her back. Look at her back. She said it's itchy. I think it's itchy, but she is okay. Look at Mama. Look at Mama first. Look, look, look at Mama. Journey, Journey. Ah! Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh yeah. Show your teeth. See, she's kawawa, but she's okay. She does not even have a temperature. Oh, wait. I want to see your body. Oh, she has one in her butt. She has one in her butt too. I'll show you. She has one in her butt. Oh. She has also one in her butt. A big one in her butt. Look at this. Look at this.
Relax ka lang.
Oh, see at her back. She's at night. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Johnny, face here. Oh, look at the baby. Oh, there's a baby in the TV. Oh, oh, look. Look, Mama. Mama. Yeah, yeah. Johnny. Oh, look at me. Look at me. Ah! She's watching TV. She's okay.